Hello everyone, welcome to the new lesson. Today we will work on an easy question. It says that initially there is a robot at position 0, 0. Given a sequence of its moves, judge if this robot makes a circle, which means it moves back to the original place. So you should get every information from here, which are very important to solve the problem. And also the move sequence is represented by a string. Here's another important detail. And each move is represented by a character. The valid robot moves are right, left, up, and down. The output should be true or false, representing whether the robot makes a circle. And how do you recognize if it makes a circle or not? You should check if it moves back to the original place. That means 0, 0. For example, if you have a two-dimensional plane area, 0, 0 means this position, this part. Now the robot is here, so it can move to four sides, to like x plus, like on x-axis to the right, or to the left, or upside or downside. So, and you should recognize that based on the moves that it receives, if it comes back to the original place, to 0, 0, that means it makes a circle. So now let's create a function considering this one. Okay, const circle equals, so it receives the moves as a string of characters now. So at this time, you know that this moves is a string of characters that can be like UUD or LLL. Here UD, what is the UD? Why it is true? Because U means up and D means down. For example, if it moves upside and then downside, that means it makes two moves and it goes back to 0, 0. So it comes back to the position 0, 0. For that reason, it makes a circle, and that is true. But for this one, input L, left, left. For example, it moves one move, makes one move here, and the other moves, it comes here. So it is not on this original place, so it doesn't make a circle. So now like the most important thing is that how we can keep track of these moves. Based on this two-dimensional plane area, we can see that either it moves to x plus plus or x minus minus, either to right or left, and or up or down. So here we can have two variables and keep the track of moves here. Let, for example, moves on x, right now it is 0. Let y moves on y, right now it is 0. So this moves is a set of strings, and that works like an array. That means that is an array of characters, so you can iterate through that. Create a for loop for let move of moves. So now check each move. For example, you have received these two. First check u, say if move equals u, if it is equals u upside, so that means y plus plus, else if move equals up, down, so if it comes down, that means y minus minus, else if move equals, so if it goes to the right side, that means x plus plus, else if move equals left, if it moves to this side, that means x minus minus. So at the end, after the loop is finished, so you check if the x and y is 0, that means whatever moves it has made, it has come back to 0 position, so that makes a circle. So you can say return, you can easily say return x equal 0 and y equal 0. Return true if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Other returns false. So now let's run this. Okay, so see. We have not called the function yet. Interesting. Okay, console.log a circle, and let's pass ud. It should return true. Yes. Let's pass ll. It should return false. Yes.